Well, the toss in the middle was won by Pakistan and Irfan Khan Niyaz. We were also informed Vaibhav Suryavanshi will walk out in the middle. Then will come left arm wrist spin. And of course, Shahid Aziz, the all-rounder, would also... We know what to expect. The emotions will... As India A and Pakistan A, they're poised to take on each there. High and wide, and a boundary on the first.
Well, I was just thinking, what does he think when he goes into bat? I spent some time on the surface. There was room outside the off stump. That's an indication that he's going to play his natural game. This is what he...
Get away. You get to
him. But he didn't play that shot right, otherwise it would have gone.
Slashes at it. One get enough.
Doesn't really matter. They say when you're going to slash, he's a smart cricketer. He knows in the 3 days that I've been doing commentary, if I praise somebody.
Shortish. Not this. There will be a boundary check for it though. Ubaid with the second.
Both these batters have, but what I really like, outside edge.
Course correction.
He's got time to play shots. Again a slower delivery. What was coming? He was ready for it. Look at that time.
You know his innings without loss. Shahid Aziz is wet as well.
Yeah, 2 batters back. Wasn't much in there. He knew where he was playing it. He knew where the fielder was.
Captain and bowler. And a change in field. Top edge. This could be the first scalp, and it is. Ahmed is walking back.
Got all the shots in the world. The boundary as well. Was a slower delivery again. Well judged. Priyansh Arya gone for 10. 30 for 1.
Scores at a strike rate of 165. Has 150 to his name so far.
Was the boundary as well. Was a slower delivery again. Well judged. Priyansh Arya gone for 10. 30 for 1. India A.
And when it comes to the bowlers, there you go. Already Irfan Khan Niyaz.
If there's 2 left-handers or 2 right-handers as well, because everybody's got their own style of...
Watchful.
Priyansh Arya, now that wasn't fair to be played over mid-wicket. You also know that getting wickets at regular intervals is going...
Effective. With the play.
Namandhir
Goes, it's completely antithetical, isn't it? You have the new ball. Bullish. Picturesque.
Yeah, after playing that shot, he stayed there for a little bit. The left-handers look so attractive.
Simply scintillating every time he's... Goes short this time. Mid-on is with 1 wicket down. Priyansh Arya. Ubaid in for his third. That's how much he's in
Rhythm. Might as well give him the third over. In there. Beautifully timed.
Carved away. Yes.
Too much room outside off stump. There was that bounce. This is what you need to do. Keep on surfaces like this, because I would flag the ball and used to come and say, what are you doing? I just told you to bowl flat, which are up. And that is how you're going to get wickets. That's the best way.
He's drifted. Third over.
Yeah, it's where he gives his bowler 3 overs in a row. He's mixing his deliveries, and probably that's why he's given him the third over. Effort ball. That was an effort. But this time, look at that effort. Using his shoulder.
He has been so focused on young Vaibhav Suryavanshi that they're trying. Bowler this time, unpredictable.
What a shot.
Absolutely wonderful stroke that, making full use of the pace. Just have a look at this, slicing it. Wasn't side, allowing his arms to go through the stroke.
Would come back.
Yeah, but they've been sensible. They haven't been slogging away. They've just...
Too close to play that short as ball.
Young fast bowlers, every now and then they won't.
Also very good hands as well. Nice home.
And a touch on the shorter side. He hasn't looked very comfortable.
Nihal bowled well so far after being hit by a boundary of the first ball. Poor delivery. Pulled that away. Not the best of times.
Changes of pace have not been very comfortably what he's looking for. So the bowlers need to have good observations.
Oh, what a shot for India A. After the end of the power play.
Both the batters are
being brought into the attack. He's a leg spinner. Remember, Suryavanshi, it will be important to see how well Suryavanshi picks him from the hand.
Oh, what's that? An outside edge.
In this, that sort of a game where the average power play sight when Suryavanshi is playing and the kind of form that he's in. But
Bowled a lot quicker on that occasion.
3 good balls from Saad Masood. Up their mind about which strokes they can play.
And will reach the fence for 4. Picked up.
Is something that the Pakistan bowlers will need to avoid. Short and wide, pulling the googly. And Aman.
He could beat IPL this season for Mumbai Indians. At Pakistan A are desperate to break this partnership.
He's a relatively experienced player at the international. Not to give any room to the batters. Swept away batter.
You have to give a lot of credit to Naman. He made sure it goes finer.
Impressive. Both Naman and Suryavanshi have to go big. Perhaps the pace of the ball. Like to give the ball some air. They're big.
And he goes big. Namandir. 12 coming from it after 8. India. Masood to continue this time. Vibe up. Suryavanshi is on song again.
Outstanding this. He's been making for trouble. Although it was a googly, but it was pitched. So the length was there. Ideal to hit. Great execution by the getting an impact. Poor delivery once again. Now shifting with the Indian batters.
Nicely executed as well.
Normally, they haven't looked to be extra aggressive or over.
In the air, straight to the fielder. A bit of aggression from the bowler.
Important wicket this. Naman was going very, taking the ball really well. And this was not the ball. Soft dismissal. Ecstatic about the wicket. But
of just 32 balls in the first match. To strike it off.
And coming into a situation where India would want another partnership.
Holds that googly again.
Would want to get.
Comes down the track. Plays that over the cover. End of an eventful over. After 9. Both teams are swinging above their size. Young, hungry. Then bowls that fuller.
Yeah, you ball in his zone and he's concerned. He's pretty clear. The ball now and then he's erred in them. Again, there's no chance of sparing such.
Goes for that again. And he will carry baggages. They carry belief.
Kind of confidence that he's shown. And he's also shown moves as a new match, settled down and then gone after the bowlers. Great shot this.
Of the first 2 deliveries. Mukim conceding 20. This time, he goes aerial again. Wi-Fi, but still, we need to check that.
Yeah, the umpires will have a check. Whether the catch was taken, seems pretty confident, but they always do.
He was travelling, he was on the move. Pressure.
Nothing moved. This catch was of Suryavanshi, the guy in form, the danger. Another angle. This is the moment. His AC is not working. Out it is. I think the skirtings. And Suryavanshi, after scoring an attractive...
At 91 for 3, 9.4.
Yeah, good evening and...
An expense. At the end of 10, it's 93 for 3. Yeah, as was the case last time around, so far, where was Suryavanshi? So
Pakistani. He keeps calm. He's with Muhammad Faiq, and that's another thing. But you...
previous match in this, as they try to steal a quick single, 13 fours and 4 sixes. Nihal Vadera's record is 50.
What do you want to imply? It'll be like, get us 350, because there's always the demand.
At 11, you can go up to 200.
And that man, Suryavanshi, what a name he's making the crowd. I think they've done things quite nicely, India.
Next turn. Middle.
Daniel replaces Sufyan Mukhtar. Going to take on the fielder. Brilliant running.
It is not only hitting boundaries, it's also running hard.
In 11.2, has laid the platform.
It's a lot of skills. Look at Jitesh Sharma, master of it.
Into footwork. Sweeper cover, fielder showcase.
Shot of him and took a blinder in the previous match. And
Boundaries have dried up. Effect.
essentially just 5 runs shy of a half century. He will always go for his shots.
Shortish. That scintillating southpaw. Vaibhav Suryavanshi going back. He changed though. He takes the aerial route. Does it once more.
It has worked for Pakistan. Shahid Aziz, who's been the change in the side to spill. This is turning out to be from Sadakat. He came in to bowl up, and that was the reason probably, I think. Didn't get the timing right, but what a catch. Safely taken. Jitesh Sharma walks back after making 5. India A.
Today it's Ashutosh Sharma who walks out his 46th match.
Well done, Mas.
Piling on pressure.
It's also the left rated.
Stepping out, trying to get to the pitch of the ball. Boundary.
Pressure.
Kept low. Self in the IPL did Ashutosh.
Agani. Chalao.
This is brilliant bowling. Dared to land the ball, and he's not wavering from. All of them have been impressive, yes, during the power play.
And then it is almost 2 in the last 4 as well. Look at that. The projected score is now 6-5. Of course, they can do more. They just need to build some partnership.
For India, how things change in a matter of minutes. Googly. Mahmood Khan says yes. Masood.
Off stump, but Mahmood Khan Kharote from Afghanistan thinks otherwise. Well, Ashutosh Star Asia Cup, and India A are 102 for 5.
In this format to help his side.
I think the momentum shifted since the and this is the wicket. Googly.
Last 3 wickets and a mere 24 runs conceded.
Yeah, I mean, you look at that. The impact from Pakistan has been. That's another good over. There comes.
Gone. Gone, Tony. Nihal Vadera may as well walk back.
Understanding that thing, bowled it a little far from his reach. He comes down to the track, poor shot, and not for India A. They lose their 4th. Mohammad Ghazi Ghori, the wicket. Nihal Vadera scoring 8, India A 104 for 6.
Now.
Catch! Run, Mas.
Yeah, well, things are falling apart for India A. I believe in probably last few overs, you leave it to smashing it all around.
Takes the aerial route to relieve the pressure. First boundary after
Sadakat, the first boundary he concedes is in the form of a maximum inside out. He played it nicely, found it as an arc.
That's how much they put in the squeeze, and that's how we'd have to turn our attention to Mohammad Moshad.
Pakistani side taking things under control, going to the batsman. That